and other things too. And I read this book recently, and as I read through it and he described his method, it struck me that his method was very similar to the method that Mr. Simpson, or the method I discovered through Mr. Simpson. Now, he says that you need 9 steps to mastering something quickly. I think you can do it in 7. So here are the 7 steps. Step 1, learn how to learn the thing you want to learn. This is why I got lucky with Mr. Simpson. He knew the best way to learn maths. Whatever it is that you want to learn, you need to figure out the best way to do it. You can do that on the internet, but I still think books are best. You can go to a library, and if you do that, you can speak to librarians, and they know loads. If you can't go to a library, use the internet, but do it carefully, because you can easily become distracted. And finding the best price-to-quality ratio for that air fryer that you want to buy is not doing research. Step 2, focus. You're going to have to dedicate time if you really want to do this. I had 2 sessions a week with Mr. Simpson, and in between those, I would find an empty maths classroom and work through those problem sheets and the questions. You have to do the same. Find somewhere with no distractions, a place where you can work. Try the library. You'll find a space there. Step 3, do the thing that you want to be good at. I needed to get better at solving maths problems, so I solved a lot of maths problems. Now, Mr. Simpson's worksheets started me on that track and gave me the confidence to do it. What do you need to do? Do that, and don't waste time on other tasks. Step 4, find your weakest points and work on those. After a couple of weeks of doing the math sheets, I knew the topics that I wasn't so good at, and I focused most of my time and effort on those. That's the fastest way to improve. But the temptation is to work on the things that you're good at, because it makes you feel better. I don't know if you play an instrument, but it's the same with that. It's much more satisfying to play over the bits that you know well and that sound good, rather than working on the bits that don't sound very good. But if you want to improve quickly, work on the weakest points, and don't do the other